Look.
Well, the mast is down, and we're up in the Tonawanda River, and the nastiest hailstorm just came through. We're safe and sound, but it was quite the storm. This is our new rigging. Didn't barely get the tarp up in time. I did manage to get the clear panels ready when everything got nasty.
45 miles.
So,
but it's past.
now we were talking to Mom, and now Chrissy's talking to somebody. But
no big deal.
we are in the river. We are in the Erie Canal.
Hello, Dean. He's making a movie.
And we're tied up safely to the wall in Tonawanda. We'll let you know what happens after this. Oh, saying hi to who?
This is your mom again.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, Dean, go away. Oh.